Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to auto-generate captions or subtitles in CapCut. So if you want to add captions to your video but you don't want to waste your time, you can use the auto captions feature by going to the tags, and here there will be an option auto captions. Click on that. First, select the sound source. So I'm going to choose from video, and then select the language of the clip. In this case, I'm using English. And after that, okay, I'm going to non-activate the bilingual subtitles. And after that, you can just click on start. Okay, just wait for CapCut to do its magic. Okay, so after that, CapCut will automatically generate the captions, and this is the result. Okay, so this is the default look, but you can always change the style by clicking on the captions. Go to style, and then you can change the font style. You can add animations and effect. Okay, so that's all from me. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also click on the subscribe button. Bye.